Do you want RAM faster than a McLaren? But unlike a McLaren, it's gotta be reliable and affordable. Then I have news for you. Today's video sponsor, Crucial, is the hero we didn't know we needed. Their Micron DDR5 modules have optimized power efficiency, 50% faster speeds than DDR4, and offer a limited lifetime warranty. They also have a wide range of SSDs, NVMe drives, and external drives to choose from, so whatever it is, you can count on Crucial to have your back. If that wasn't enough yet, they even sent us an extra kit to give away, which we will cover later on in the video. So check them out and show us some love by clicking that link below. Seriously guys, click that link. You can literally save yourself millions of rupees. This has to be one of the biggest cases we've built in quite a while. Oh. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. There you go. That looks nice.
Wow.
Case looks sick. What do you reckon?
So cool.
What's this? This is the ROG Strix Helios EVA Edition. Very nice. Here we have the Asus ROG Maximus Z690 Hero motherboard, EVA Edition. As I said before, Joker theme, I'm feeling it. What are your thoughts on Joker theme though?
Oh, so
Would you want to see that?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, so would I, but not for this build. This is gonna be an EVA themed build, but look how nice that motherboard looks. Just needs a bit of a clean. It's got a bit of dust on there. I may have had a sneak peek earlier. Check out this CPU, Amelia. The gold. I love it. So this is the 12900K. Awesome gold packaging. This has 16 cores and 24 threads, with 8 of those cores being performance, 8 being efficient. Should go really nice in this system, don't you reckon?
Yeah.
Now to install our CPU, all we have to do is release the latch by pushing down, lifting it up, then we lift the housing up, and if you look on the CPU, there's a little triangle at the corner there. You probably can't see it from there, but trust me. And on the CPU socket is also a little triangle. CPU slots between the 2 notches, drops in like so. I like to give it a little wiggle while it's in there just to make sure that it's in nice and tight, and then we close it the way that we opened it up. Keep this cap, by the way, keep it in your motherboard box because you may need it for warranty purposes later if something happens to the motherboard. So with such a high-end system, I was thinking an MP600 Pro, 4 terabytes. You know, we've got a 3090, we've got a high-end motherboard, high-end CPU, and I'm thinking that, you know, if someone's gonna be gaming on a system, games these days are taking up way too much space. And how much space does our footage take up, Amelia? It's like, I don't know, I think yesterday's filming session was 500 gigs. So 4 terabytes, that could get chewed up really fast. Next step, we're gonna be installing our NVMe drive. Now to do this, we need to remove this heatsink on the motherboard. Now you guys will notice there's also some protective film on the thermal pads, so we need to make sure this is all removed to make sure that there is adequate cooling for our NVMe. Now to install your NVMe, all you have to do is put it in at about a 45-degree angle and then push it down. There's already a little tab on here which will help lock it in place. This is pretty unique to Asus motherboards, but there are other companies starting to implement this design. If you do not have this little tab, it's a simple screw which you can find in your motherboard box. So going into the system, I thought I'd go with 32 gigs, DDR5, Corsair Dominator Platinum RAM, the classic. We don't have much DDR5 RAM on hand, but I thought these would look really nice with the system. I really want 4 sticks in there. But I don't know if I have 4 of the same RAM. We'll put 2 in for now and we'll see how it looks, but I kind of wanted to go like green, purple, which I thought would suit the theme a bit more. But what do you think, Amelia? These look nice?
Yes, very nice, sleek.
So when you're installing your RAM, and in particular DDR5 seems to work best with only 2 sticks installed. For the meantime, I'm sure that things will get a lot better with DDR5 over the years, and you want to install them in slots A2 and B2 for best performance, just like what we've done now. Now, because we have so much room inside this case, I'm feeling like a lot of it still looks black. I feel like we need maybe some more custom panels, maybe something around that side, a bit more purple and green in there. What do you think about that? The PCB is black, so it's still cool to have some of the case black, but you know, we've got this whole empty space right here and across the power supply cover, so I think it only makes sense.
Love it here.
Love it.
Yes, you love it.
I love these fans. I'm a fan. Unifan SL Infinity 120. Let's get these ones unboxed. Actually, these are your favorite ones, aren't they? The ones with the infinity mirror on them.
Oh, yes.
And they all connect together and have one power cable. Brilliant. There it is. Are you doing the zoomies right now, live?
There it is.
Now, I know I go on about these fans a lot, but these are absolutely amazing. They clip in and they're all powered by one single connector. I think that's pretty amazing for a fan, and that means there's not as much spaghetti at the back of the system. Really cool. Couldn't reach it. You know, I'm pretty disappointed that we're not going to see this side inside of the case, but now we're installing the infinity fans. So what you wanted me to say?
Yes.
At least the cable management's going to be really nice. Only 2 cables going through there. All right, that's nice and lined up. And we just got to install the screws.
You want me to do it?
Cut. Wait. The screw, I thought it went down the case. We're all good. We're still good. Still good. I can't do this. It's too much pressure.
I'm watching.
Ah, shit. We're all good. We've got 1 screw in, that's good enough, right? All right, we good to go? Okay, let's do this. I've kind of made this awkward for me. Shut up! Hey! All right, there we go. So what are their names again?
Wicked Wing.
Wicked and Wing. That's what they will be soon if they don't be quiet. ROG Ryujin to 360 ARGB CPU cooler. Let's get this one unboxed. Ooh, okay. I'm going to use the Leon Lee fans with this one because the ones that come with it are not RGB. And of course, we need some of that lighting in the system, wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
You just want it all RGB.
Yes.
I'm not setting it to RGB though. It's gonna be like maybe purple, maybe green,
Okay.
maybe both. Yeah, that's gonna look nice. What do you reckon would look better? Do you think having like all purple or all green, or do you think having maybe 1 purple, 1 green, 1 purple?
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't, there's probably a way in the software to customize it where you can have like half green, half purple. I'm not really too sure. We'll have to go in and have a look, but I think it's gonna look really good. Where's my screwdriver? this is gonna be very awkward for me. Also, the table is higher, right?
You're doing great, yes.
There we go. Oh, I'm pretty sure I can remove that bracket and do it outside the case, but who cares? We're good. Oh my God, that should not be like that. Let me just get a second one on, then we're all good. I can't see the other end. You know, we could just put the desk down a little bit. It'll make it a lot easier. Install/remove vertically. I was actually going to install it that way, but it wants me to install this way, so that's what we're gonna do. By the way, guys, this is pre-applied thermal paste for any of you thinking that I'm not putting thermal paste on. Let's get this installed. How am I meant to, hang on, does this top come off? Oh, what am I doing? Ah, that's hot. Wait, at least I could reach the screws now. All right, that'll do. And then this wants me to go this way. Boom, there we go. I feel like the writing needs to be up the top.
Did you do it right?
Yeah, look, that's how it's told me to install it. See, the tubes are next to the RAM slots. Tubes, RAM. That's correct. That's what we're going with. I ripped the box. ROG Strix Gaming EVA Edition RTX 3090. Let's get this one unboxed. You know what I think? The purple and the green would actually make for a really cool Joker-themed PC, in my opinion. What do you reckon?
That would be good.
But unfortunately, we can't do Joker today. Although I would like to.
Next time.
Yeah, we could use the same GPU again. It's like, that's pretty much what we do in all of our PC builds. Same CPUs, GPUs, always repurpose stuff because this would get pretty expensive if we didn't. That looks pretty cool, actually. Go on, do your zoomies. Zoom in.
Wait. Wow, that does look good.
You focused?
No, on you.
It's all good, it's part of the plan. Boom. Slot that in. Rest that there for now. Wait, I need a smaller screwdriver. I almost need to unscrew the fan. So I wasn't sure whether to do horizontal or vertical mounting, but I thought that the green looked real nice showing on camera. Would you agree with that, Amelia? I thought it'd make for a better thumbnail, but also looks really nice and pleasing. We may end up having to take the GPU off once we do some customization to the case, because obviously I want to add the purple and green at the back there, at the front, on top. We can always play around with it depending on how everything turns out, but for now, I think this looks best. This is the ROG Thor 1000 watt Platinum 2 power supply, probably the fanciest box power supply that I've ever seen. Would you agree with that one?
Yeah, wow. It's heavy duty.
Really heavy duty, actually. This one's from Asus as well. All right. Hey guys, Editing Corey here. Unfortunately, somehow the sound corrupted for this particular clip, so you don't have to hear me singing to the dog or the dog barking back for that matter. But while I have you here, I'd like to thank you all for the support. YouTube has been going downhill more and more lately with videos no longer being pushed out. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please help us out by leaving a like on the video and even commenting saying you made it this far. We have a little present here from Cable Mod. Now I'm thinking black extension cables. As much as I would have liked to have gone purple or a green, I don't really have them, so wow. I'm pretty sure there's like 4 sets there. So I know we're going to need a 24 pin, and we're probably, yeah, that's an RTX 3090, so we're gonna need 3 8-pin connectors. The rest,
Oh my god.
we don't really need. Okay, so the first panel, I designed it so that it could still visually see the power supply. The PSU has some amazing visuals and I didn't really want them hidden. It is a 2-layer design made from acrylic with the top layer being purple and the bottom green on this particular design. I added a bit of vinyl to stick with the Eva theme as well. The second panel is fairly similar in how the design works. It is still double layered acrylic, but I decided to switch around the top and bottom colors to make green the main primary color. I also wanted to give my thanks to Asus by including their logo onto the panel as well. The third design will be situated on top of the power supply shroud. Again, this design is made similar to the second design with the green layer being the primary color. However, this time I included the RGI as the visual. Our fourth panel is completely different to the rest. We only have clear acrylic on hand, so to achieve what I wanted, I had to paint the back side of the acrylic black and the front side purple. I was then able to etch away the purple paint to reveal the black, which helped my design stand out a lot more. I also added in some black vinyl and I think it turned out amazing.